Good morning to all. Let us continue the chapter cyclic quadrature. One question given, you have to draw one circle. Inside the circle there is diameter given AOB. AOB is the diameter given, and this is the angle on the semicircle. Angle on the semicircle, that is ACB, and this angle given 25, and this line CD, this CD line is parallel to AB. This CD is parallel to AB. Now join, and you have to find out DAC angle. DAC, this angle you have to find out. So what is given here? Given angle CAB is equal to 25. AOB is the diameter. AOB is the diameter. AOB is the diameter and angle ACB will be 90 degree. Angle on the semicircle. Angle on the semicircle. Angle on the semicircle. This is the properties. Angle on the semicircle is 90 degree. These things given, and one more thing given, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD, and you have to find out to find angle DAC. Angle DAC. This is the angle you have to find out, DAC. Okay. Now see, as this line is parallel, angle CAB. Now angle CAB. Sorry. The angle CAB is equal to angle AC. ACD is equal to 25 degree. Okay. Again, angle ACB also 90 degree. Therefore, angle BCD will be 90 plus 25. This is coming 115 degree. BCD angle coming 115 degree. Now, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAD will be 180 minus 115 is coming 65 degree. The BAD is equal to, that is angle DAC plus 25 is equal to 65. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to 40 degree. Just let me see the figure. Just to study the figure here, DAB or BAD, this BAD plus BCD equal to how much? 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay. The BCD angle, we got BCD equal to how much? This angle is 90 degree. Angle on the semicircle. This is 25. Alternate angles are equal. Yes or no? CAB is equal to ACD. These two angles are equal. Why? Because this is alternate angle. Alternate angle. Alternate angle equal. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 90 plus 115. Then BAD equal to 180 minus 150, 65 coming. Now DAB means DAC plus CAB. 25 plus this angle equal to 115. Yes or no? Therefore 65. Therefore DAC equal to 40 degree. In this question, one comment. Let's go one more question. So next question you say, in both there is a two circle. The two circles are intersecting at the point C, D. At the point C and D, the two circles are intersecting. And through D, AD is one line, another BC is another line. That means angle BAD given 75, and you have to find out angle DEF. For this reason, we have to join DC. This is the construction part. If I join DC, then the quadrilateral angle, this angle is equal to exterior angle. That means exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. That means this is 75. For this circle, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So this angle is 70.